It's Friday, and it might as well be called Success Day because that's what's happened since Master Affiliate Profits went live and since they've allowed free, frictionless enrollment to take place. My name's Dori O'Neill, and I'm going to answer some of the questions that people have been asking me in the chats, to me by email, and even some people texting me through my messaging system. So how and why are your free members already achieving success with Master Affiliate Profits when they join as a free member? Well, the first credit obviously goes to John Thornhill, Omar, and Melinda Martin, and the Master Affiliate Profits team for creating an amazing platform. And it starts with that frictionless enrollment. You're able to join Master Affiliate Profits for free. And when you do, you receive a comprehensive beginner's guide, how to market online, valued at $600, that has modules in it like list building, traffic generation, video creation, social media marketing, blogging, and other course materials that when you're inside and see it with your own eyes, you'll be blown away. And if that wasn't enough, you'll also have the ability to use those materials and earn while you learn, because they're going to pay you a 25% commission when you introduce other people into the concept of learning how to market online. It is absolutely amazing. Virtually everybody you know that has any form of business would like to get better at marketing online. They'd like to know how they could do it better. And I don't care if they own a shoe store, they're an internet marketer. The materials found inside Master Affiliate Profits will give every entrepreneur a leg up when it comes to marketing online. So it's easy to invite people, but I provide something that supercharges this, and that is my course, Earn MAP Commissions in 60 Minutes or Less. It's a secret formula that I've developed over 50 years. I give you that for free, and people have already started to use it. People have already started to see the results, and people are already on the pathway to commissions, pathway to profits. It's absolutely outstanding and it's absolutely amazing. But now people are already edging forward, getting closer to the part where the second part of my included free course kicks in. And that's where they can access my secret accessible paid traffic program. So now you're able to earn with a free membership. And when you earn with a free membership, take a very small portion of your profits and invest it into paid traffic through this targeted source that I have put in my free course. And when they get access to that paid traffic, and when they spend that little bit of the profits that they've made, and remember, they've come in as a free member, now they're getting targeted traffic for people that are hungry for this information. And what happens is your commissions grow exponentially, and you'll eventually want to upgrade to platinum. But people have asked me, what happened to your $5,000 YouTube viral funnel bonus? It's still there. It's still there even for free members. Yes, free members can gain access. The only requirement is that you acquire your Aweber account through my Aweber affiliate link. And why would I ask that? Because that helps offset some of my hard costs for the server. So what is a YouTube viral funnel? It consists of a landing page, professionally created, co-created by none other than Mike Filsame of Fame of Groove Pages. We created that together. You get that landing page, you get a welcome page complete with video, and 10 days complete with video of course material outlining the highlights, features, and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. So when you send one of your leads through to that landing page that I give you, not only will you have the lead in your Aweber autoresponder before they enroll in Master Affiliate Profits, but as they go through the 10 days of features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, they will grow to understand the power. They will see the applications that they can use that they are interested in, not just what you think they might be interested in. And they will enroll with full knowledge of the power of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And it doesn't end there. I also give you access to pre-done email sequences, access to the very course that started this journey for you, which is earn MAP commissions in 60 minutes or less. And so it becomes a duplicatable dynamo for you. It creates success, it creates prosperity, it creates momentum, and it moves you faster towards profits. And that's what we all want, is profits, which creates what? That creates freedom, because when you're making a recurring income, when you're providing people with value, that means that they'll stick with the program and they'll be part and parcel with your Master Affiliate Profits team and my Master Affiliate Profits team for days, years, months to come. And that's what we all want to create, isn't it? Recurring passive income. And that's what MAP does. So this has been the first week. There's more to come. If you haven't already, join Master Affiliate Profits through. You can join my MAP team by simply going to yesenroll.com/with Dori. We'll see you in the next video. Let's keep rocking it. We're just changing the world one person at a time. Goodbye.